How to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. So if you want to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing the quality, then first you need to open up your WhatsApp application. Once you open up your WhatsApp, now if you go to your upper right, which has that three dots, and go for settings, now here you won't be able to set profile picture as an HD quality. So what you need to do is you just need to go back to any one of your chats. So for example, I'm here in this chat. Once you're here on the chat, you need to go for an image. So you need to send an image or a picture that you would like to add to your profile. So go for the camera and go for the videos or photos from your gallery and choose one that you would like to set. So once you've choose here on the upper side, you need to tap on HD. Once you've set that picture as a HD quality, now you just need to simply send that image. And once you've sent that image in the HD quality, you just need to tap on the image and go for the upper right, and here you will have save option. Tap on save and save the image. Once you've saved the image, now go back and go for the upper right again and go for settings, and now go for your profile. Under your profile, tap on the camera option and then go for your gallery and go for the image which you have just saved. So here you will have your HD image, and now you need to tap on done, which is on the bottom right, and you need to add that as a profile picture. So that's how you can set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.